Make a great choice today with the 2006 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, cloth upholstery, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, auto express down window. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.